all the plugs are fouled. Hey, what's up, guys? Mofo Driver here. I'm sitting in my wife's 2010 Hyundai Elantra for about the past week or so. It's been acting like it didn't want to start. Well, now it won't start. So yesterday, I went and got a brand new battery and put in it. It started right up. Then a little while later, I got back in it, tried to start it, it wouldn't start. So I popped the hood, wiggled the spark plug wires, got back in it, tried it again, it started right up. So I was thinking it was either bad plugs or bad plug wires. Now it won't start again today. I just checked all of the plugs and they're all fouled. So I'm going to go get some brand new spark plugs and put in it. They all look like this. So time to go get some spark plugs. I just replaced all the plugs and plug wires in her car about a year ago. All right, let's see what we got here. And it still won't start. So I guess I'm going to grab some brand new plug wires and see if that fixes it. Not your face? Good. What about your chin? I mean, you look really good right now, but these stupid plug wires with these stupid long things. Japanese junk. see what we got. Fuck. I wouldn't think it would be the alternator because I just had a brand new one put in less than a year ago. Let me know what you guys think.